Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna go back to Lake McSwain, even though I said I don't like trout fishing 2 videos ago, but I think I got bit by the trout bug, and I think today's goal is actually a little bit different. So today we are either obviously we're always planning on to limit out, but that's the main goal, is to limit out. So that's 5 fish per person, so me and her, and or to catch a lightning trout. I've never caught a lightning trout. They look pretty cool. I've seen one in person now, and I want one. So yeah, let's go get them. Thank you as always for watching. Stay tuned. I'm tied up this line. Oh, this one's biting too, huh?
Wait, what do I do?
I'll take it. I'll take it.
That's what I'm talking about, bro. Give me some. Oh, that's a beauty.
That's a nice one.
Good Lord, that's a beauty.
Yeah, I think I just had a
Oh,
bite
he's got a
on it.
real nice one, bro. It is really, really nice.
I think I need to tighten my line up.
I think there was a bite on this one, no?
No, I think you just crossed it or something.
I'll throw it back.
Yeah,
It's
but
too
I already-
small.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. That's a big old mama right there. Come on.
Now you guys don't want to take that home, do you?
Well, let me think about it. We
Tell a hell of a fish story about that one.
he choked this one.
Yeah.
There you go. Got it up.
You got it?
Yeah.
What do you want me to do?
You still got it? Recording?
Mm-hmm.
Finally got one. Shoot.
Thank you, she said. Like she said, thank you, buddy.
Alright guys, so this is the recap of the day. We've been out here for about 5 hours. We caught 1 rainbow trout. Not what we wanted, but I'll take it. You know, we didn't skunk. It was a nice sized rainbow trout. And yeah, nice day outside. So all in all, it was a fun day, and Thank you guys as always for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.